Hey everybody, welcome back to the Adventure Channel. We are all set up here at our next location now, and we are at the Kentucky River RV Park and Campground. This is north of Frankfort, Kentucky. I don't know, I think town's about 10 or 15 minutes south of us here. But anyway, this is our site behind us, and it's a beautiful spot right there on the river. We have a deck. I'll take you back there and show you that. And so far we're liking it. It is a little tight in here, but that's kind of, you know, the ongoing theme that we usually talk about when you come to these RV parks, is that they're a little bit tight, and tight getting in there too whenever they're square to the driveway. But anyway, we didn't have a problem. We got in there. Our friends Lance and Laura, they're on their way. They'll be here in a little while. That's their spot right over there. So they're going to join us this evening. We're going to have a little cookout there behind the camper there. We got us some steaks that we're going to grill, and you know, have some salad to go with it there as well. So I thought I would show you what the campground looks like. Here's a shot looking at the other side here. They have a pavilion out there. They said they're doing some kind of family feud thing for the campground tonight if we want to join in. They got a playground here for the kids, and it's pretty darn full out here. Just about every site, I believe, is full. This looks like one of those places where a lot of people probably maybe own one of the sites, I would imagine. I didn't ask, but it looks like a permanent fixture for a lot of folks, is to have their personal campers out here, or, you know, rent it out on the weekly basis, or the daily basis anyway. But it was a beautiful drive south once we got off of Interstate 71 and went through the hills of Kentucky. It was an absolutely gorgeous drive down through there. We passed through a few little small, you know, Main Street towns, and that was beautiful to see. So really kind of enjoyed that. This is a nice setup that they have back here for us, and I'm really happy that we were able to get the river site. So we've got a table to sit at to eat our food. They even provide a gas grill there for you to use, but I'm going to set up my charcoal grill out here in a little while. We've got a little fire pit we can enjoy, and they sell firewood and everything up there too. So it looks like everybody has got a deck here to enjoy. And then looking down, there is the Kentucky River. It looks like some of the folks, they all have a bunch of golf carts around here to get them around. Come down here, and it looks like a boat launch out there. Actually, that looks like the boat launch right there. So that's pretty cool. They've got a deck out there that you can park your boat at or go out there. So we might have to check that out. So anyway, this looks like this is going to be Lance and Laura's spot right over there, that table. They'll be back in right there. So this is it. Looking pretty good. So I'll let you guys know what we kind of get into. Again, we're going to be doing some grilling tonight, and then tomorrow our plan is to kind of take our time, but we're going to go over and visit with our friends Steve and Elizabeth Summers. We're going to be going to their house and visiting him, seeing all his new shop improvements and everything, and then we're going to hang out at their place tomorrow and have a cookout there. I'm going to take the pit barrel with me. We'll do some ribs and a chicken for them. You know, we'll all just kind of hang out. He's got a beautiful piece of property there that looks a lot like this. You know, he's in the mountains. He's got a big creek next to his house. So we're looking forward to that, just hanging out, socializing with them and visiting, and, you know, cooking some dinner for everybody to enjoy. So I'm sure we're going to have some video to share of that experience as well. All right, so I'm going to finish getting our stuff set up, and I'll show you what we get into during our next couple days here on the Kentucky River. All right. Yeah, that one's ours. Yep.
Where did we stay last night? Victoria Campground, north, and one stop. There's not a lot going on there, but it's a huge lot and right on the lake. And most of the spots are right on the lake, so we're really excited about that. All right, so what do we think happened? There's no, like,
Okay, yeah, here we go. Yeah, so which I was not expecting that. I kept going back. And I